Welcome to Tao Kantina. My name is Auntie Ann, and today we will gonna cook Filipino food. Seafood Fiesta. This is like all a mix of squid. We have tahong or mussels. We have shrimp, garlic, onion leeks, and some chili for the spicy. So it's like stir fry them with cloves and garlic and a bit of soy, and that's it. Okay, so Seafood Fiesta. So regular oil, and then chopped garlic and chili, crazy garlic, fried. Then mussels, and the squid. And then the whole mussels. So when the juice, when it's open, then it cooks the whole stuff in the wok. And then the soy for flavor. A bit of sugar. Pepper. So it should be like super strong fire. And then the onion leaves. Go. And it's ready. It's like 5 to 10 minutes cooking and it's done. Delicious.
All right. Thank you.